Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents Repurpose your candle jars with this easy trick. Hi friends! Before watching the video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet and watch the video till the end to get full information. One of my biggest weaknesses in life is when Bath & Body Works has a sale on their 3 wick candles. I probably have a lifetime supply in every scent for every holiday because I just can't resist a good deal, especially when they come up with new irresistible scents every year. In the past, I have always felt so guilty throwing those pretty jars and lids away, but the idea of scrapping out all of that wax seemed like too much of a headache. However, I recently stumbled across a little trick to getting the wax out with hardly any effort at all, and it has changed my life. Okay, that's a little dramatic, but it's definitely changed the way I look at candle jars now. I'll never throw away another one of these jars again. Just look at how beautiful they are with the wax cleaned out. All of the candles from Bath & Body Works seems to have a different style of lid too, so every jar is very unique. Here's how to do it. Place your candles in the freezer for about 2 hours. The cold air shrinks the wax, causing it to separate from the jar. Eat some ice cream while you're waiting. Once the wax is nice and cold, use a knife or butter knife to help further separate the wax from the glass. Every candle seems to be a little different. Most of the time the wax comes out easily in one big chunk, and sometimes you have to pry it out in several pieces. I have found that the label comes off easily with the one pull and doesn't leave any residue behind. Yeah, now you are left with the bottom sticker, which is much more obvious once the wax is removed. After the jar is back to room temperature, simply place it in a bowl of hot water so that the sticker on the bottom is completely submerged. Wait about 10 minutes and voila! The sticker will scrap right off. To remove the excess wax residue, place the jar in the microwave for about 30 seconds and wipe it away with a napkin. Now wash the jars and lids with dish soap and water and you are done. I hope this was an amazing trick to get rid of the wax from the candle jars. It's worth a try and I feel that everyone should try it. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value and don't forget to share on your social networks so that others can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.